Oh there, it's me, earthmanbrick. We're back with the Gloomburg Sprawl set. And this is the final build we've got, which is the Gatehouse, this part here. And it's massive, absolutely zonkin' big. And it comes on 9 MDF sprue frames there. And it looks like we're going to get a whole lot of push-outs. All these bits here are all going to be able to come out. So I'm just going to get straight onto it and start making it up. But before I do, I'm going to stipple the boards all white first. It will save me the process of doing it later on. So I'm going to go get cracking on with that. See you again soon once it's all done. Bye for now. Hello again, we're back. And here's all the empty MDF sprue frames here, which I can see a lot of possibilities happening with these. These extra triangles which we can chop out, we can make for perfect orky teeth. That would be great. And we've got this here. These are all the little push-outs, which again, very orky triangles and such like. Very cool. But what about the build itself? Well, it is the last of the Gloomhaven Sprawl set. That's it there. And here's our finished rendition. And you might notice that there's a lot of green on here. And what we've done is we've made 2 mashes. We've made a brown paper mache mash and a green one, just to help accentuate and hide all the corners of the sprue frames, all the bits that basically declare that it is an MDF kit. So we've tried to hide as many of those details as possible. I've also broken up and added a stick here. It's hot glued and super glued on. I was in 2 minds about adding this cage, but I think it's very much worth it. It looks ace. And yes, lots of fine little details all here and there. And yes, the mash has a double effect in that it actually strengthens and reinforces everything whilst also adding a nice aesthetic. Yes. Do I recommend this kit? Absolutely. The full set has been an absolute dream to put together, and yes, I absolutely love it. And look at that. Nice little broken up room there with bars all torn a hither. Very funky. So yes, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks again for watching, and bye.